Turtle Wax Super Hard Shell Liquid Wax cleans, shines, and provides durable protection for a variety of different surfaces. As one of the products that started it all at Turtle Wax, this carnauba-based innovation has stood the test of time, leading to its more than 101 unique uses. With easy, one-step application and removal, surfaces are left with up to 12 months of protection from light scratches, swirls, UV rays, and acid rain. It's safe to use on cars, trucks, boats, as well as surfaces like tables, mirrors, shower walls, and doors. Do not use this product on vinyl, wood, flat paint, or where a slippery surface isn't desired. If you're in search of legendary shine and protection, look no further than the time-tested Turtle Wax Super Hard Shell Finish Liquid Wax.